Hi dude, Bitcoin holders, time to get serious. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP news. Today, the world of cryptocurrency is often volatile, exciting, and unpredictable, with constant fluctuations in prices, evolving technologies, and shifting market sentiments. For Bitcoin holders, Ethereum enthusiasts, Solana investors, and XRP supporters, it is crucial to stay informed about the latest developments in these leading digital assets. While the overall market sentiment may fluctuate, understanding the long-term trends, regulatory news, and technological advancements can provide a strategic advantage in navigating the complex crypto landscape. In this article, we'll explore why Bitcoin holders need to get serious about their investments today, while also examining the latest news surrounding Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. The market is at a crucial juncture, and now is the time to be more informed, more prepared, and more strategic in your approach. The state of Bitcoin, a market leader. Facing crucial crossroads. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has been a pioneer in the digital asset space. Its growth over the last decade has attracted millions of investors and traders from all over the world. As of now, Bitcoin holds a dominant position in the market, frequently leading the price movements of the overall cryptocurrency market. However, Bitcoin's path forward isn't guaranteed, and its price has been experiencing a consolidation phase in recent months. The Bitcoin price action. What's next? Bitcoin's price has been range-bound between 25K and 32K in recent months, and this consolidation period is crucial for its future trajectory. The price action in this range has shown significant resistance at around $32,000, which has prevented Bitcoin from gaining momentum towards new all-time highs. On the other hand, the price has held steady above $25,000, indicating that there is still strong support for Bitcoin at this level. This kind of price action is typical in Elliott wave theory, where an asset goes through cycles of impulsive moves and corrective moves. The current phase could be a Wave 2 correction in Elliott wave theory, which might lead to the start of Wave 3, a potentially explosive move upward. If Bitcoin breaks above 32K, we could see a massive rally toward its previous all-time highs, potentially exceeding 60K or more. However, if the market sentiment turns bearish, a failure to break above resistance could lead to a prolonged consolidation or a pullback. Bitcoin holders need to stay vigilant during this crucial period. It's time to be more strategic, plan for potential moves, and remain flexible to adapt to any changes in the market. Investors who are complacent may miss out on the opportunities that come with Bitcoin's next big move. Why is Bitcoin's path so important for crypto holders? The performance of Bitcoin influences the overall market sentiment in crypto. As the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Bitcoin often dictates whether the market will enter a bull or bear phase. If Bitcoin breaks through key resistance levels, we could see an altcoin rally, with Ethereum, Solana, and XRP leading the way. However, if Bitcoin's price stagnates or falls, it could cause a downturn in the entire market, dragging altcoins down as well. Bitcoin's dominance in the market is often measured by its Bitcoin Dominance Index, BDI, which shows how much of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization is made up of Bitcoin. In recent years, Bitcoin dominance has been in a steady decline, as altcoins such as Ethereum, Solana, and XRP have gained market share. However, in times of market uncertainty, Bitcoin dominance tends to increase as investors flock to the relative safety of the leading cryptocurrency. Bitcoin holders must understand the relationship between Bitcoin and altcoins, as it can significantly impact the overall portfolio performance. Ethereum, the smart contract. King continues to evolve. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is often considered the backbone of the decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystem. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, enabling developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, on the blockchain. While Bitcoin is often seen as a store of value, Ethereum is viewed as a platform for innovation in the blockchain space. Ethereum's upcoming upgrades? What's next for ETH? Ethereum is undergoing significant upgrades as part of its transition to Ethereum 2.0, which aims to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. The most notable change in Ethereum 2.0 is the transition from a proof of work, POW, to a proof of stake, POS, consensus mechanism, which is expected to reduce Ethereum's energy consumption and make the network more secure and scalable. Additionally, Ethereum's EIP 1559 upgrade has already been implemented, which introduced a deflationary mechanism to the network by burning a portion of transaction fees. This upgrade has reduced the supply of Ethereum, potentially increasing its scarcity and value over time. Furthermore, Ethereum's ecosystem has continued to grow, with more developers building decentralized applications on its blockchain. The rise of Layer 2 solutions such as Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon is also helping Ethereum scale and handle more transactions at lower costs, making Ethereum more user-friendly and viable for mainstream adoption. The price action of Ethereum. Ethereum's price has been following a similar pattern to Bitcoin in recent months. After peaking near $4,800 in 2021, Ethereum has struggled to break above $3,000, facing significant resistance in that range. The price has since corrected, and Ethereum is now trading between $1,300 and $2,800. However, Ethereum remains a dominant force in the crypto space, and its long-term potential is still strong. Ethereum holders should keep an eye on the ETH-BTC ratio, as this can provide insights into the relative strength of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. When the ETH-BTC ratio rises, it suggests that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, which could signal a shift toward altcoin dominance. Conversely, if the ratio falls, it may indicate that Bitcoin is leading the market, and investors should consider adjusting their portfolios accordingly. If you want to be updated, go visit the site https://www.blockchaindudes.com